Hey everybody, I am so excited to see you one day soon. I hope that you've had a relaxing break and maybe played out in the snow, even though it was super cold out. Um, but it looks like we're going to have another day, and this is our first virtual day. So, how it works in middle school is that by 8 a.m., all of your teachers need to post your assignment, activity, whatever it is that you need to do that day to Canvas. You complete it at home, turn anything in via Canvas that you need to have finished, and then that is it for the day, and that is all you need to do for the day for that class. I know that we are not together, so I'm making this video to help you kind of refresh your memory on what we were doing and to show you what you're going to do on the assignment so that it makes it easier for you to finish. If you are unable to do this at home, totally fine. I will have you work on it during PE whenever our next day of school is, hopefully Thursday. So we're going to use this, and I like to use all virtual snow days to try to get some health stuff done so that when we are in school, we can do more PE and that we're not falling behind in our health for the year. So if you remember, we were working on our next learning of accessing information. And when we went through this, we used it to talk a lot about nutrition. So we went through the different food groups, we talked about the different nutrients that are in foods and how we access that information so that we know we are getting valid and accurate and reliable information. So what you're going to do today is you are going to show me your understanding of being able to define what accurate and credible are, and I'm going to give you a website to go to, and you're going to talk through whether or not you think this would be a good website to use for teens that want to learn more about nutrition. So by end of today, when you turn things in, hopefully you'll be able to show me that you understand things at a surface and at a deep level. When you are doing your assignment today, you're going to utilize this. And we talked through this a little bit when we went to different websites. We used Kids Health, and we had another website that we looked at too. I don't remember what it was. But we went through and kind of answered these questions. Remember, when we're looking at a website, we want to, first of all, make sure it is accurate, that it is truthful, that the information they are giving us is backed up by research and not just things that people are making up. So these questions here help take you through whether or not you think that that website is truthful and giving you information that you can rely on. We also want it to be credible. That means the information that is given to us is from somebody that knows what they are talking about. It is, if it's a nutrition website, we're looking for people like doctors, nurses, dietitians, nutritionists, people like that have a background in that area that they can be able to give us the information that we need. For example, if I was going to write an article about how to fix your car, I would not be a very credible source because I know just about nothing about fixing my car. But I could write an article, I could make up a whole bunch of information and then sign my name, and then I would tell you my background, or if you looked into my background, you would find out that she knows nothing about cars. So I would not be a credible person, a reliable person to give you that information. So you'll utilize these questions to answer that. Is it current? We said with health information, we want to try to have it within the past 5 years. Even sooner than that is even better. Is it easy to use? Is it a website that you understand? I do not want you going to a website where maybe you only understand a few words on the page, or you don't understand anything they are saying. A lot of things, especially in health, can be written in more medical terms. And if it's not something you understand, then don't read it. Go find a different one to use. A good site also gives us, if there is a word that we don't understand, it will tell us what that word means. Is it a situation that you're needing to use this article for? So for today, you're going to be looking at a website that has to do with nutrition. I'll tell you that right off the bat. But would it be a good nutrition website for teens that want to learn how to eat healthier? And so that's what you're going to be looking for. And if there are any links on the website, that they work and that they take you to good, reliable places too. At the end, you're going to tell me, do you think that this would be a good website to use? Why or why not? And you're going to need to cite 3 examples. So using this information here and this information here, you're going to come up with what you think might be the 3 most important things that make it a good website or that do not make it a good website. And just because we go through here and we answer maybe yes, 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 yes to most of them, but there is one, like maybe say here, that we answer no to because it's really old article, you might decide that even though all the answers are yes, but it was written 10 years ago, that automatically that's not going to be a good site for us to use. So these, you don't necessarily want to look for every answer to be yes or every answer to be no, but we want to really look and say, is it truthful? That means, is it accurate? Is it from somebody that knows what they're talking about? Is it current? And is it a site that you can actually read? Those are probably the most important things you want to look for when you're doing an article. And so what you'll go onto Canvas today and find, and remember, you'll click through all the things just like we have done before to get your assignment up. You're going to answer these 2 questions at the top. And then number 3, you're going to go through here and using this website right here, you'll click on it, look through the website, and then highlight. You can kind of go like this, and then go like this. Oopsie, wrong one. Sorry. Go like this, and highlight your answers, the answer that you want, or you can, let's unhighlight that, bold the answer that you want, whichever one you want. Okay, so for each one of these, you're going to go through, look through your article, and answer yes or no for them. As you get down towards the bottom, then you'll see based on all of this, all of that, all of your answers up here, would this be a good site for teens to use to learn how to eat healthier? Please give at least 3 examples using the info above, so up here, to tell why it is or isn't a good site for nutrition information. I would imagine your answer down here is going to be about 4 sentences. 1 sentence to tell me yes or no it is, and then each sentence to give me an example of why you chose that answer. Okay, when you are finished, go back onto Canvas and click the Submit button and turn this in. If you have questions at all during the day while you're working on this, I will be checking my email a lot through the day, so email me your questions. If you need me to jump on a Zoom with you because you're just so confused and you don't know what to do, then just send me that through an email, and then I can set up a Zoom link and we can chat through there. So I hope that you'll figure that out. As I'm working on this now, you can see here's our weekly thing. I'm going to put everything here on the calendar. It just looks really weird right now because I'm typing everything in. I'll put this video, hopefully you've watched it now, is there. The assignment will be linked there. And then it tells you if you do not get it done, we'll complete it in PE when we get back. All right. I hope to see you sometime soon this week. I hope that you are safe and that you are warm. And I'm sure missing you. I believe Coach Menzies and I were talking. We're going to do a basketball unit when we get back. So get ready to do that kind of fun stuff. I'll see you soon.